Welcome to this video on loading Legend Heatshrink rolls and Legend non-shrink tubing rolls. Let's look first at Heatshrink rolls. Open the printer, then open the ribbon carriage by pressing the catch shown by the yellow arrow. Take out the silver guidance system that's stored either in the printer lid or in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Move the media guide and upper sensor all the way to the right. Now, using your index finger and thumb, move the lower sensor about 2 centimeters away from the edge of the upper sensor. Position the guidance system seating hook into the rear lip of the upper sensor arm, then gently lower the front of the guidance system. Please note that to allow the front of the guidance system to fit properly, you must make sure the feet of the guidance system are not obstructed by the lower sensor. So the lower sensor needs to be located in between where the guidance system feet will press down. If you need to adjust the sensor position, lift the front of the guidance system, adjust the position of the sensor, then gently press down the guidance system. Then, with the box carrying the rolls of heat shrink placed behind the printer, feed the roll or rolls through to the front of the printer. If you're printing just one roll, then it needs to be on the right, as viewed from the front of the printer. Slide the locating bars on the guidance system to the right so that they hold the rolls comfortably. Please note that with the basic Fox in a Box, you can only print one roll at a time. With the advanced and professional versions, you can print 1 or 2 rolls at a time. Before you start printing, make sure that the ribbon carriage dials are correct. These carriage dial settings are shown in the printer dialog box, which is shown in your Labacus software. With the ribbon carriage open, gently turn the dials to the appropriate settings, then close the ribbon carriage and you're ready to print 1 or 2 heat shrink rolls. Now let's look at dealing with non-shrink tubing. Feed 1 or 2 rolls of non-shrink tubing into the printer in the same way and secure these rolls using the guidance system locating bars. Again, before you start printing, ensure that the ribbon carriage dials are correct. These carriage dial settings are set out in the printer dialog box. With the ribbon carriage open, gently turn the dials to the appropriate settings, then close the ribbon carriage and you're ready to print. This setup demonstration has shown a 110 mm wide ribbon. This width can be used for all our thermal labels. To reduce costs and wastes, we also offer narrower widths of ribbon depending on the label type being printed. For example, when running 2 rolls of heat shrink or non-shrink, you can use the 60 mm wide ribbon. In your printer dialog box, you'll see suggestions about the ribbon widths you can use with the particular label you're printing. Have a look at the Fox in a Box printer setup video or the dedicated ribbon setup video to see how to load the 3 ribbon widths. Remember that when you leave the printer overnight or for long periods and labels or rolls are loaded in it, you should keep the ribbon carriage open. When moving the printer, ensure that the spindles together with the ribbon are removed from the ribbon carriage. You can store these in the well behind the ribbon carriage. Fox in a Box can print all Silver Fox's thermal labels for a wide range of applications using one software, one printer and one ribbon. At the end of each print run, your labels will automatically feed out of the printer. The next time you print, the blank labels automatically roll back into the printer. The advanced and professional versions of the software include this unique rollback functionality, saving you money on labels and helping to reduce waste in the environment. The software that drives the Fox in the Box is called Labicus Innovator. With that, you can also print all our laser labels on a laser printer. Other popular options include printing our Legend non-shrink tubing via our Fox in a Box printer, then using a mounting bar to produce tie-on cable labels. Or, using a laser printer, you can print our ProLab polyester A4 self-adhesive sheets to label equipment and cabinets. If you need any further help or information, please contact the Silver Fox support team. We now offer support via WhatsApp, where you can send photos, screen dumps, and even videos. We also offer Team Viewer, so that we can show you on your PC how to work best with your software. Thank you for choosing Silver Fox.